2024 Ram 3500. With less than 42,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It's cleverly designed to maximize convenience and comfort with features such as side view mirrors with turn signals, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auxiliary input, dual rear wheels, stability control. Take home the car of your dreams today.